In this video, we will learn how to add widgets using WordPress 3.9. Make sure to subscribe to Hello to WP for up-to-date video tutorials using WordPress. A widget is an independent section which adds content and features to your website. Widgets are designed to provide a simple and easy-to-use way of getting design and structure control on widgetized areas, which most often include the header, footer, and sidebar of your site. You can use one widget multiple times in the same widget area or in multiple widget areas on the same page, though you'll likely want to use multiple different widgets to share lots of information with your visitors. Starting from your dashboard, mouse over Appearance in the Administration menu. You'll see a slide-out menu where you can click Widgets. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of widgets available for you to use. There are 12 default widgets. Additional widgets are added by installed themes and plugins, which add functionality and assist in customizing your site. Widgets are areas displayed on the right-hand side. For example, using the WordPress 2014 theme, we have 3 widget areas, including the primary sidebar, the content sidebar, and the footer widget area. Each theme will have different widget areas set up for you to configure and use. On the bottom of the screen is a list of your inactive widgets. If you previously had an active widget and wanted to save it without deleting it, you would drag it to the inactive widget section where it will be stored until you want to use it again. There are 3 ways for you to add a widget. The first is to do the old click and drag. Click on the widget you want to use and drag it to the widget area you want it to be displayed in. The second way is to click the widget but not drag it, and a drop-down appears that allows you to select the widget area you want to add it to. Upon adding a widget, the widget options will expand, allowing you to customize the widget. For example, we added the Categories widget and can now change the title from the default, which was Categories, to anything we want. We can also select which options we want to have it show within this widget. Each widget has different options. You can click on the down arrow to the right of the widget title to expand and collapse each widget's options. You may also click and drag to change the order of which the widgets are displayed. In addition to reordering, you can click and drag widgets to move them between widget areas. To delete a widget, click on the widget title or down arrow to expand your options and select the delete option. Warning: changes and deletions to the widgets happen immediately and there is no undo button, so click at your own risk. You may want to drag your widgets to the inactive widget section instead of deleting it if you're on the edge about whether you want it to be gone forever. The last way to add a widget requires going to a different screen, but it's pretty easy once you get there. This option is only available if your theme supports it. You can find out if it is supported by your theme by mousing over the word Appearance in your administration menu. Is there an option called Customize in the side-out menu? If so, click that. If not, hang tight, we'll get to more important information that still pertains to you in a second. Once you've clicked Customize, you'll be taken to the Theme Customizer, where you can add, edit, and rearrange your site's widgets to preview them live and save them when you're ready. This is different from the Widgets section we used in the first 2 methods of adding widgets because that section requires you to save your changes before viewing how they will appear. To add a widget using the Theme Customizer, click on the widget area where you want it to be added and click on the button at the bottom of that panel which reads Add a Widget. A new panel will pull out from the left with a list of all available widgets for you to choose from. Click the widget you want to add and customize the available options should you so desire. As you make changes using the Theme Customizer, you can either click Cancel at the very top left of the screen to undo any changes you made if you decide you don't like them, or click Save and Publish if you're happy with the widgets you've set up and want to show them to the world. Reordering widgets works the same way as the widgets screen we mentioned earlier. Just drag and drop them into the screen you want them to be displayed in. If you prefer to click instead of drag, you can click the Reorder button, which allows you to click up or down arrows to move the widgets manually within the area you've set them up in. If you want to move the widget to a different widget area, you can click the button Move Widget and select which area to move it to from the drop-down. To delete a widget from the Theme Customizer, click on the widget to expand it and you'll see a button called Remove. Ta-da! Gone. There is no inactive widget area on the theme customizer, but if you haven't hit save yet, you can still recover any mistakenly deleted widget by clicking cancel at the top of the screen. When you're done customizing your widgets, remember to click save and publish so all your hard work is not lost. Thanks for watching. If this video tutorial was helpful, please make sure to like it. Subscribe to this channel for more videos using WordPress.